In this video, I'll show you how to link PayPal to Apple Pay using your PayPal card so you can tap to pay. First, it's important to know you can't add your PayPal balance or account directly to Apple Pay. What you can add is an eligible PayPal debit or credit card to Apple Wallet, and then use it with Apple Pay in stores and apps where it's supported. Open the PayPal app and log in. Go to your PayPal balance or account section and look for your PayPal debit or credit card. Tap the card, and then tap Manage or a similar option. You should see Add to Apple Wallet. Tap it and follow the on-screen instructions to verify and add the card. Once added, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll see your PayPal card there. Tap it, and if you like, set it as your default card so Apple Pay uses it first when you double-click the side button and pay. If you don't see the option to add your PayPal card, it may not be available yet in your country or on your device model. In that case, you can still use PayPal separately, or link PayPal to your Apple ID just for App Store and iTunes purchases. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.